Hey, what's up, guys? So this is my biopets project, and it's on the Asian shore crabs, specifically of their invasion on the Northeast. So, quick introduction. Since 1988, the invasive Asian shore crab has been decimating the coast of the Northeast, and the Asian shore crab is a member of the Virundae family, and they only grow to about the size of a howler. I've seen them get bigger, but by much. Their native range is actually off islands of the New Korea. These along the north, along the northeast, it has proved to be a tragedy to the surrounding environments, and the Asian shore crabs have done so by eating native mussel, quahog, lobster, and crab species. And in this video, I will go into fine detail addressing the invasion of the Asian shore crab. So, I don't have any pictures, but better yet, I have the real thing there. Wow, look at that. Yeah, this is actually an Asian shore crab. Anyways, the introduction of the Asian shore crab has opened many new opportunities for native wildlife to be destroyed and decimated. Let's start with the history on how they actually got here. In 1988, in Cape May County, New Jersey, a biology student on a field trip first discovered the Asian shore crab on the North American coast. And by 1995, the Asian shore crab population ranged from the Oregon Inlet in North Carolina to Sagamore, Massachusetts, where Mass Maritime is. As of 2008, the Asian shore crab range has made it all the way up to Acadia National Park in Maine and in between South Carolina. Due to the highly dense population of the species, the native shellfish population here in the Northeast has shrunk quite a bit. The Asian shore crab feeds on a multitude of shellfish, including quahogs, mussels, snails, and smaller crabs like fiddler crabs. They also feed on green crabs. So the economic impact they have is, even though there are a significant amount of environmental impacts that the Asian shore crab has caused on the rocky shores of the Northeast, many of the economic impacts are unclear due to most major fisheries resources being subtidal. And according to the Smithsonian Environmental Research Center, juvenile American lobsters that were used in the experiment are frequently in the intertidal zone, and through lab trials, it was found that the Asian shore crab preyed on the juvenile American lobsters during this experiment. And now we move on to competition. Due to the invasion of the Asian shore crab on the northeast coast, the Carcunius manus, the European green crab, what it's also known as, has seen a major population decline over the past 35 years. Even though the European green crab is an invasive species, the decline is still concerning just because it just shows how abundant the Asian shore crabs are. And according to the Smithsonian Environmental Research Center, in lab experiments, the Asian shore crabs used in the experiment interfered with the feeding of the European green crabs, which also resulted in the green crabs frequently being displaced and not even have a chance to eat. Asian shore crabs not only have a tragic impact on invasive species along the northeastern coast, but also on native marine species along the northeastern coast. The native Sez mud crab of Long Island Sound and the flatback mud crab populations have also declined in the intertidal habitats in Long Island Sound. However, they still remain in abundance in subtidal waters. The regional impacts to here, Cape Cod and Connecticut. Some field experiments from the Cape Cod region support the occurrence and effects the Asian shore crab has had on the local environment. One experiment suggests the Asian shore crab's predation on the small shore fauna, which includes mussels, snails, clams. It has been observed that the adult Asian shore crabs preyed on the native blue mussel, and they've also preyed on hard clams like quahogs, and they also preyed on periwinkles. In another study conducted at Black Rock Harbor in Connecticut, researchers also concluded that the Asian shore crab accounted for 25% of the mortality rate for blue mussels. And in that same study, it was also found that 71% of the Asian shore crabs preferred mussels and periwinkles and quahogs over all algae types. In conclusion, the Asian shore crab's invasion has proved to be an interesting but unstoppable force for even the best researchers and environmentalists to handle. Although this is considered a loss for some researchers, other researchers can use this as a learning experience and learn to piggyback off of this. There's still a lot to learn off of this, and it can be stopped. However, it does seem unstoppable now. It only took me 6 seconds to catch all of these. It only took me 6 seconds to catch all of these. I got about 6 in here. So they're under every single rock. They're everywhere. and it just shows how fast it can spread. So yeah, that's my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks.